Eddie here. Welcome to the channel again with me. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Today I'm gonna to opening up a credit card. Oops, no credit card, but it's a gaming console that very small and seem like a piece of credit card. Before we unboxing it, please do consider to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for subscribe to my channel for supporting me. This is Trimoi Pocket Game Player Trimoi Model S. It comes with a 628 mAh jet processor and with a 2-inch IPS screen. Let's crack open and see what is inside this guy. A SD card, a cable, Type-C cable, an instruction manual, and a console. Let's put all aside first and have a look for the console. D-pad, ABSY button. Here is select menu start button, a Type-C charging port, memory card slot, power button. This is Trimoi Model S, L trigger, R trigger button. That's all for the console. A really light console with only around 65 grams. This is silver, and actually I do have another one is red color. Slightly different from silver color, but only for the back cover, the design of the back cover. If I'm not wrong, it does have gray color, total 3 or 4 color choice. Only come with 10.5 cm for the length. The width is 5.5 cm and the thickness is only around, if including the button, is only around 1.3 or 1.4 cm. Wow, this is almost like a credit card size, except the thickness. Just imagine one day maybe we really have a chance to have a gaming console with thickness like a piece of credit card. I think I'm already crazy, but who knows, maybe really one day someone can achieve it. No idea how tiny is this guy. Let's compare it with RG 280M. What? You don't have RG280M, so no idea how small is it? Okay, I do understand someone may not purchase RG280M. Okay, let's compare it with this card. This is not a credit card, but it's the same size with credit card. Now I think you may have some idea how tiny is this guy. Wow, very lightweight and suitable to bring it anywhere, any place. Okay, you have a very tight jeans pocket. No worry, you can very easy to put it into your tight pocket. Insert the SD card and power on the console. The front end menu is very simple. Emulator is under Retro Game folder. It comes with Neo Geo, FC, Super FC, Game Boy, Game Boy Advance, MD, SMS, PCE, PS. That's all. This console is previewed with 15,000 games. So let's choose few games and have some fun with it. After some few game testing, okay, this credit card gaming console is not so-called very powerful gaming console. The higher emulator is only PSX. For my opinion, is if you are looking for some small console and hope to bring it 24 hours with you, just hope that you can or may enjoy some games, maybe few minutes or half hour, then this credit card is suitable for you. Because of its lightweight, tiny and slim size, you can really easy to keep it into your pocket or any bag. But if you are a hardcore gamer, this may not suitable for you as the screen is too small, only 2 inch. Your eyes very easy to get stressed. It only support max up to PSX, except you never keen to play any games over PSX emulator. So that's it today for this video. Please remember to subscribe my channel. See you next video.